While our lives continue to revolve around the coronavirus pandemic, our beauty queens took a step ahead and helped those in need. Looking at the past few months, we have seen how beauty queens have contributed to the society by initiating fundraisers, distributing essentials, conducting food drives, etc. Recently, Valentina Perez Medina, Miss International Bolivia 2019, was out on a mission to distribute food to the frontline medical professionals and essential workers in association with Food for Heroes. Avriti, Miss Diva Supranational 2020, joined the Robin Hood Army to distribute food and essentials to around 130 families in the slums of Jabalpur. Talking about philanthropy, let's talk about Priyanka Chopra. She has been actively urging people to support and educate girls amidst the global pandemic. Due to the ripple effect of COVID-19, experts predict that more than 10 million girls could remain out of school forever. Priyanka has asked that immediate action should be taken towards the cause. Following which, our former Miss India World 2016, Natasha Suri, was tested positive for COVID-19. She mentioned that after coming back from Pune, she fell ill and had fever, so she underwent a test which came to be positive. We wish her a speedy recovery. With many international and national pageants being delayed, Miss Supranational and Mr. Supranational have also been postponed and will be held in 2021, keeping in mind the health and safety of all participants from coming across the globe. But it's not all gloomy news. Thailand is soon going to witness its first Miss and Mr. Deaf national pageant after the outbreak of the novel coronavirus. Other pageants like Mrs. Nevada was recently abruptly halted by the Las Vegas officials for violating the health and safety guidelines amidst the coronavirus pandemic. This forced them to crown the winners in an empty auditorium. But hey, safety first. While all of us are battling coronavirus, social media is booming with new challenges every day. Our beauty queens participated in the latest #2020 challenge, perfectly capturing the mood of each month from this year from January to September. Have a look at few of our beauty queens who joined the fun and shared pictures in forms of calendar. Though the internet and social media is keeping us going, we have to face the flip side of it, that is cybercrime. A video has been circulating on social media of the Point Fortin Borough Corporation Emancipation Queen pageant second runner-up Jaster Gittins. The organizers showed her support by promising not to dethrone her. A childhood photo of the popular singer Selena Gomez in her white pageant dress and crown has gone viral. She is one of the many celebs who have a history in beauty pageants, proving that she has always been destined to be a star. Priyanka Chopra gave us a glimpse of a home workout session with a photo of her and Nick Jonas doing a push-up together. The adorable photo has taken over our Instagram feeds. The gorgeous Caitlin Kennard, who works at a betting shop, is planning to gamble her odds to be the next Miss England, as she is all set to participate at the prestigious pageant to be held this year. Miss Universe 2019, Zosie Binni Tunzi hosted a live session with Miss Diva Universe 2019, Vartika Singh, who is also her friend. They spoke about the false myth like catfights between beauty pageants, and they had a hearty conversation about the false assumptions around it. Namrata Shirodkar, Miss India 1999, took a walk down memory lane with a throwback to her pageant winning days on Instagram. Beauty queen Priyadarshini Chatterjee expressed the various emotions and struggles that she has gone through during the global lockdown period and how our minds are accessible for others to manipulate. She continues to remain strong and she is an inspiration.